Welcome again, ENC students. This is your professor, Michael Bloomingberg, and I'm creating this video to show you, or at least try to assist you with registering your MyWritingLab. Now, the first thing I want to show you is I have in the Start Here button, I'm just going to click it, and there's the Help Resources. Click that, and if I can move the camera just a little bit, I did put a link here in MyWritingLab Help, which links you directly to Pearson, which shows you how to register your MyWritingLab. But if you're having any trouble with it, you might want to look closely at this video, which I'm going to put in the week 1 assignment folder. And the biggest thing that I want to stress to you is that you want to be right here in Blackboard when you register your MyWritingLab. Do not go to Pearson because we have linked the course through Blackboard, so you need to make sure you register. If you email me asking me for a course ID, that's a surefire sign you're trying to register in Pearson, and you don't need to do that because you never need a course ID when you register through Blackboard, which is exactly what you want to do here. So what I'm going to do instead is the first step I'm going to do, and I can't actually walk you through it visually, but I did write out the directions, and they are linked for you as well on Blackboard. And again, I'll put this in the week 1 folder. But the first thing that you're going to want to do is, do you see right down in the blue box, you'll see a link for MyWritingLab. You're going to want to click that. So I'll click it. And then from there, you will have a link for the course home. Now, if I were to click it right now, it would just take me to the MyWritingLab, but you're not registered yet, or presumably you're not. So if you click it, it's going to bring up some more hoops for you to jump through. So at this point, I'm going to pull up a directing sheet that I've made for you, and I'll kind of walk you through it. So again, this is after you've clicked MyWritingLab in the course home. Okay, so step by step, I'm going to move this over so you can see it. You, at this point, have your access code ready. You're on our Blackboard page. You've clicked the MyWritingLab link, just as I did. You're going to need to click Launch. You'll see an option, top or bottom. It really doesn't matter which one. You need to click Launch. The next step is you may have to click a licensing agreement. It just depends upon your individual computer if you have a licensing agreement. For that. There's no fee or anything like that involved. You just have to agree to it if you haven't done so yet. Once you click your licensing agreement and click that you agree if you have one, the next thing you're going to have to do is, if it's going to ask you for your Pearson account information. Now, if you already have a Pearson account, you may have created one for your math class, for example, please enter in that information to sign in. If you do not have a Pearson account, you have to create one. And when you click Create, it's going to bring up a whole series of boxes that you have to fill out, including your name. The biggest thing to know is that you need to use your KCTCS email account when you create your Pearson account. Use your KCTCS email, that way it just keeps things simple. If you forget a username or password, it'll send it to your email. I would try to create your Pearson account info, make it something you can remember so you have no problem logging in. So again, if you have a Pearson account, go ahead and sign in at this point. If you don't, you need to create one. Next, once you do that, you are going to be prompted to enter in your access code. If for whatever reason you're waiting on your code or you don't have it right in front of you, you can click Temporary Access, and that'll let you come into the MyWritingLab, but it will only let you do so for 14 days after our course begins. So keep that in mind. You only have 14 days on the temporary access. So please note, if you don't have your code or you're just waiting, you don't have to wait to get started on the lab. You can get in through temporary access. You are now registered for the MyWritingLab. You just need to click the course home to enter the lab. And also, at this point forward, I want to show you something. I'm going to minimize this and move the camera back over, so bear with me. Once you are officially registered, I'm going to go into the week 1 folder just to show you what I'm talking about. I always like to create a direct link, and so once you register the first time, you can start using the direct links in the weekly assignments folder, and this is week 1. And what it'll look like is once you have gone through the registration process, you can just click this direct link in the week 1 folder, and what it will do very neatly is take you right into the MyWritingLab and right into your modules. So keep that in mind. I think you'll find that very helpful. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions at all about registering, feel free to contact me. Good luck with it, and good luck with MyWritingLab. Take care. Bye-bye.